salt water density. Necessary materials: salt, lemon or egg, water, glasses. Take all the necessary materials. Start by filling water in the glasses. Now stir in 3 to 4 tablespoons of salt. Mix well to dissolve the salt. Carefully drop an egg into the glass of fresh water. See, the egg sinks in the fresh water. Then drop another egg into the salty water. The egg floats due to the change in density of the water. The addition of the salt to the water increased the density of the water, and therefore the egg in the salt water floated.
Why? Egg sinks in a glass filled with fresh water, but it floats when we stir in 2 to 3 spoons of salt in the water. In salty water, the buoyant force exceeds the gravitational force. Adding salt makes the water more dense, so the egg can displace its weight. Thanks for watching this video.